Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover subquery. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover subquery using in, any, and all clause. We can filter based on values in subquery, using in clause. We can use any clause, with comparison operator, which returns true, if any of subquery values meet condition. We can use all clause, with comparison operator, which returns true, if all of subquery values meet condition. In the next program, I am going to cover subquery using comparison operator. We can filter based on result from subquery, using comparison operator. Subquery must return a single value. Else, query fails. In the next program, I am going to cover subquery using exists clause. We can search whether specified records from subquery exists in table of outer query, using exists clause. We can join table in the subquery with table in outer query, which is also called as correlated subquery. In the next program, I am going to cover subquery in select clause. We can use subquery in select clause to get values from another table based on join condition. Subquery should return single value. Else, query fails. In the next program, I am going to cover subquery in from clause. We can use subquery in from clause to create inline view. Subquery may return multiple values. In the next program, I am going to cover subquery using with clause. We can create subquery using with clause, which can be used to isolate subquery from main query. We can define multiple subqueries using single with clause, separated by commas. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.